going to Mbake from Senegal. I'm just coming today to inform you a big holiday for us. It's a recommendation from Serigne Mame Balla Aïcha. It's a big holiday. The day is June 13, 2023. We open mosque too. We're going to talk about each one of them we're going to do for that day. For the morning, we're going to read the Quran in a hadith and a lot of book. For the evening, we're going to eat, celebrate the day. And for the afternoon, the family and the family member of Serigne Abdou Dia coming to talking about Serigne Abdou Dia and his son Serigne Cheikh Mbacké Douyouli, and we're gonna talk about who's Serigne Abdou Dia too and what he did.